Hey guys, welcome to Cash Outline. Today's video is about iPhone SE. Yes, the long awaited iPhone SE has been announced yesterday. This video is purely about my opinions on iPhone SE, whether you need to get the iPhone SE or you don't need to get the iPhone SE. So we will go ahead and discuss about the iPhone SE and its price range and its specifications and whether you should get it or not. So let's get started. This iPhone SE 2020 version is very similar to the iPhone 8 in terms of the build quality. You can see that iPhone SE has used the materials which is used for the iPhone 8. Front and back glass, sides are aluminum, and the design looks stunning. In order to know the quality of the hardware, you need to definitely go ahead and check it out. iPhone 8. When you hold the iPhone 8 in your hands, you will know exactly what is the hardware quality of that device. The same hardware quality of the device comes to the iPhone SE also, and it's beautiful. So the iPhone SE screen is same as iPhone 8. There is nothing difference between iPhone 8 and iPhone SE display. It comes with 4.7-inch screen with the resolution of 820p. So the build quality of this device is exactly similar to iPhone 8 and the display is exactly similar to the iPhone 8. But the internals have been upgraded. It comes with A13 Bionic chip which is in iPhone 11 series. So you are getting the latest chipset in the iPhone SE. Apple didn't inform what is the amount of RAM and battery is in the device, but I can expect around 2GB RAM to 3GB RAM. Mostly it would be like 3GB RAM variant. So in order to handle A13 Bionic chip, at least 3GB RAM need to be required on the device, and I think definitely it will have 3GB RAM in this device. So the battery capacity will be the same as iPhone 8. It will be around 1900 mAh. So the battery capacity is not that great. If you are a heavy user, you need to charge this device at least twice a day. And this device has wireless charging and water resistance also. If you drop your mobile by mistake in a water, this mobile can survive that impact of water. And most of all, you get the latest software on this device, which is iOS 13. And you know that the latest software iOS 13 will be running on this device, and this device will get the software support at least 4 to 5 iterations. So for 4 to 5 years, you no need to worry about the software. And this device consists of a single rear camera and a single front camera. The rear camera is of 12 megapixel with aperture f1.8, and the front camera is with 7 megapixel with aperture f2.2. So the rear camera is same as like iPhone 10R. It can take portrait shots of the persons but not the object, same as iPhone 10R, and the camera quality will be definitely very good. You get all the portrait modes like studio lighting, etc., all those things, and you can record video up to 4K 60 frames per second. And the front facing camera is like 7 megapixel with aperture f2.2. That will definitely be very good. So in terms of the specs, it's not huge, but iPhone cameras always deliver a beautiful result for you. Here in India, iPhone SE starts around 42,500 rupees, which is of 64GB variant. So let's get into the conclusion whether this device is made for you or not. If you are a gamer, if you want a long lasting battery life, this device is not for you. iPhone SE is for the certain category people who doesn't play games a lot on the mobile, who wants small phone, who cares about the one hand usage, and who wants the latest internals and great hardware for a lot less price. According to me, this iPhone SE will sell like hotcakes because everyone are looking for the iPhone at a cheaper price, and it comes for 42,500. On the whole, this iPhone SE is great device for certain kind of people who wants latest internals and great hardware at a marginal price. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.